Your drawing does not have to be perfect. It just needs to be unique. Now adding a cute face to our cat. Do you know cats love to play and also love to sleep? Adding some cute little ears. Now let's start with the body of our cat. Let's draw its fluffy tail. Adding some big shiny eyes. Yes, you got this. Adding a cute little smile on its face. Our cat looks super cute. Now it's time to paint. Orange. Cats are like soft, fluffy clouds, ready for cuddles. I would love to have a house full of these cute cats. It's almost ready. Always be playful and curious like a cat. Glitter time! Bye-bye! If you like this video, subscribe for weekly videos.